We'll guide you through how to factory reset an Android phone to default settings. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you're looking to go and sell the device, or you just want a fresh start, then this guide is for you. Just remember, everything will be lost, so make sure you've saved anything you want to go and keep, maybe to Google Drive or elsewhere. So to get started, go and open up the settings like so. Now, you need to go and scroll down until you go and see the section which is called General Management, and you need to go and tap there. Now, scroll down to the bottom of General Management and you should see the option for Reset, which you can then go and tap on. At the bottom of Reset, so scroll down, you should see the option Factory Data Reset, which you can then go and tap on. This will go and reset your device. You can see everything that's going to be erased from your phone. You can scroll down, and if you want to continue, press reset at the bottom. Make sure you understand that all there, and all we then need to do is press delete all and we can start the process. It's super straightforward.